If you want to start making money online, the easy way. Then, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button to stay updated. Enjoy this video. While this may be a bit more time-consuming, it pays a steady, long-term return on your investment as compared to the other methods discussed in this book. Unlike links you post on social media, the links you post in the comments sections of forums and other websites remain visible for anyone who finds the particular post of discussion on the forum. The idea is to find relevant conversations on competing sites, instead of spamming your links all over the internet. You want to find sites where people may often visit to read up on material that pertains to your own product as well. Remember, you only want to post a few links on each website, to avoid their administrators from taking action and removing any link that points back to your page. When you make a meaningful comment on another website, add a link to any content on your site that can add value to your point or even broaden the scope of the topic at hand. Posting to forums. Apart from posting links on competing websites, there are several forums as well where you can post your link and request feedback on your content, style, or layout in general. Aside from the added advantage of gaining a fresh perspective on your site, doing this will also open the door for potential visitors who like what you have to offer. This can lead to them referring your website to others. Since these forums differ regarding topical interest, finding the right forum that works for you may take some time, especially if you have a highly niched business. One thing that you may want to do is find a subreddit that is relevant to your content and business. Make a genuine contribution to the discussion and post your links there. You have to be careful when posting links on this site because the populace is extremely good at dealing with spam posters. So only add links to the site when you feel like you've made an established addition to the ongoing discussion. If you are seen as promoting content that is unrelated to the topic at hand, your credibility will dive, so be very careful when selecting the content and article that you are trying to promote through the posted link. Given the large number of people who visit the site, the links and referrals will be driving traffic to your website for a long time. Aside from driving more traffic to your site directly through the links that you post, your efforts will have another massive influence as well. Search engine crawlers operate by creating interconnecting networks between various sites on the internet. All of this build up toward nodal connections that can drive visitors through hundreds of paths. With the operational procedures behind the coded crawlers, the higher number of links that you have between your business site and other relevant or popular sites, the higher your ranking will be on the search engines. Therefore, if you can build a stable number of links between other important websites in your profession and your site, the higher up your company will be displayed in the search engines. This will dramatically improve your company's visibility, effectively directing more visitors to your site when they engage in content searches. After you've developed your link building campaign, you should devote some time on websites like StumbleUpon.com. Submit your URL to these sites, and they will keep directing people to your site from their own visitor base. While you may think that this method won't be a reliable source of traffic, you'll be shocked to see the number of visitors, which could end up in the thousands, once the site's users start getting directed to your page. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.